So first you want to start off with a clear, clean face. Like, the foundation is a must when you want to have a clean and nice application of makeup. I shave my face once a month, not once a month, once a week, even though I don't have that much facial hair, just so I can get the little fuzzies. And also I do have a little mustache sometimes, so I do shave that. Yeah, and I clean my face really thorough before I apply makeup. So I'm going to start off with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and I'm actually going to prime my face with this. And really just press this in my cheeks because that's where my pores are. Okay, after prepping my face, I'm going to take NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Aruba. This foundation is worth every bit of penny that I paid for it. I freaking love it. Every single time I try out a new foundation, girl, it's never as good as this one. So I'm going to just do a few pumps of this on the back of my hand and take my foundation brush to dab that in my skin before using my beauty blender. And then pressing that into my skin. I know I have some little blemishes at the, you know, my neckline. I'm trying to get rid of those now, but I do not put foundation all the way down there. If you don't like my neck, don't look at it. But I'm going to take my beauty blender. It is damped, and I'm just going to press in that foundation. Okay, so I was slightly having a minor camera malfunction. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I don't know if I'm not working it correctly or I'm not doing something right, but it keeps like going out of focus and it's driving me insane. So, y'all remember I told you I was pregnant, right? I'm at the last end of my ropes. Lately, I've been getting irritated about the craziest shit. And although this isn't crazy, I'm getting very irritated with it, so. Alright, so after applying my foundation, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier. Actually, I'm not going to take this. I'm going to take, what am I going to take? That's going to be what I set my highlight with. And then I'm actually going to set the rest of my face with my Fenty in the color Banana, because this is too much of my skin type. I cannot set my face with this. This is just too crazy. Or I'm gonna set my face with this. I cannot set my highlight with it because it's too close. It's too close, boo. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Truffle, my matchstick. Or what is this? Yeah, isn't this called a matchstick? And this is the color Truffle. I'm gonna take this and scope out my contour. Blend that out. But as I'm blending up. And I'm going to just wipe it up over the matchstick and do my nose. Snatch out this little nose. So this is the contour, and I'm going to take my Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan. This, girl, I freaking love this concealer. It reminds me so much of the NARS Radiant Concealer without the price. It's a few dollars cheaper, just a few, but like I told y'all before, anything is better than nothing at all. Anything off is better than nothing, okay? And just a little down my nose and a little on this big old forehead that I have. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and pounce it on those areas. After that, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier and I'm going to set the bottom part, or my contour, or my highlight. I cannot figure shit out today. I am so irritated with this damn camera. It's ridiculous. I hardly do any baking anymore. The only thing that I would consider baking would be like when I'm going to apply some bottom shadow, and I just put some powder down there or under my eye, just so whenever I dust it away, it catches any fallout, basically. But yeah, I'm going to set all of this with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then after setting my contour with a bronzer, I'm taking Becca bronzer in the color Bronze Bondi, which is this right here. Come on. Just this right here. I'm taking this color and I'm going to set my face with this, actually. Or lightly set my face with this. Lightly set my contour. Like, I am so over it today. So over it. And then after doing that, I'm going to take my Fenty in the color Banana, which is basically the same shade as me. And I'm going to take this up under my contour just to clean it up. Just like that. I want to get the lightest shade, or a lighter shade in this, and see if it works for my highlight, actually. After doing that, again, I'm not baking anything. I'm just going to sweep this away with a powder brush, just so that doesn't set. I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth face powder in the color tan, and I'm just going to press this into my skin and then buff it out. And then I'm going to take some, this is one of my favorite, like, I absolutely love this Continuous Set and Mist from Morphe. I grabbed it from Ulta and I have been obsessed with it since. So I'm going to spray my face with this just to bring moisture back into my skin. Alright, so here's the finished foundation look, you guys. I think it came out cute. I love my foundation routine. Like, I just need to get these blemishes off my neck. I'm trying, boo. I'm trying. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. But yeah, if you like this foundation routine, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see my eyebrow tutorial, make sure you leave us a comment in the comment section below. And if you have yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, make sure you do so. And I'll see you guys in my next video.